Welcome to this video, 100 tips and tricks in ABAP Tip 43. So in this video I would like to show and explain to you a very useful functionality within the ABAP Debugger. So directly let's get started. Here right now we are in the ABAP editor, so the transaction SE38, and here I have basically a sample program where first of all a start statement, a start string will be outputted, then 500 times there will be the current value of this variable outputted, then afterwards this variable will be increased by 2, and then at the end this string end will be outputted. So if you, for example, would like to debug this statement, and therefore I'll set a session breakpoint and execute this program to start the ABAP debugger. And here right now we can see so that you have the possibility to go with F6 within this, over these programs, over the lines, over the statements. And here you would have to go 500 times over this loop. So if we go execute, so then we can see what happens here and then going into the next step and so on. So you have to hit the F6 key or this button a couple of times, and imagine that this statement is perfectly clear for you, but you would like to jump to this statement. What you can do is you can simply set a breakpoint in here, and then you can hit the F8 key or click on this continue button to go over the loop basically. But of course the statements within the loop will be executed, so you're not skipping it or not bypassing it. You're just going over these statements, and you would like to stop the ABAP debugger at the next breakpoint, and then you can analyze this coding in here. And there's a way within the ABAP debugger to do the same approach without setting a lot of session breakpoints, because imagine that you're doing this 5-10 times, then you have a lot of breakpoints in the ABAP debugger into the coding, and you can avoid this really easily. So therefore I'm going out of this ABAP debugger session by hitting the F8 key or this continue button and going one step back to once again go into the coding. So, and what you can do is, so to see, basically I double click on LV value to see, okay, here the current value is 0. And what you can do is under debugger, there is a great functionality called continue to cursor. You can also execute this functionality by hitting the key combination Shift and F8. And what does this functionality basically do? This functionality is basically stopping the ABAP debugger where your cursor is. And you have two possibilities. So imagine that you have your cursor, your focus at one line down below the current executed statement. Then the ABAP debugger will stop at this line where your cursor, where the focus is. If you have set the focus above the current executed statement, then the whole program will be executed, or the next breakpoint will stop the ABAP debugger. So you have these two possibilities. So let's basically set the focus into the line 17. So we would like to go over the loop, and the loop of course should be executed. So I have set the focus into line 17, and then I go to debugger and then continue to cursor. And here we can see that the LV value has now the value 1000. So the loop has been executed 500 times, and we are in here and can analyze this coding further. So let's continue here. Let's go one step back and execute this once again. So imagine now we've just gone one step. So here on line 12, and imagine that you have set the focus on one executable line above the current statement or the current line within the ABAP debugger, and then you go to debugger, continue to cursor, then the whole program will be finished and completed, or until the next breakpoint is reached. So if I now go to continue to cursor, then you can see that everything is executed. So, and yeah, I said this, I think that this continue to cursor function is very useful to directly go to the line that you would like to analyze without going onto every single statement within the ABAP Debugger. And yeah, stay tuned. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel to not miss great upcoming videos, because there are still 57 great videos about ABAP tips and tricks available and left. So stay tuned and see you in the next video.